Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a returning yarn gremlin, welcome back. Happy to have you no matter what. So happy spooky season, you guys. It is the official release of the Full Spectrum and Burstone subscription boxes and a special little extra something by Andrew. So before we get to that, if you want to not be surprised, if you want to be surprised, you don't want it spoiled, I will tell you when to look away and I will tell you when to look back, but I am going to give verbal descriptors now, just saying the colors that are in the colorways for my visually impaired folk. Okay, I've done this video so many times now and I keep having interruptions and things messing up and stuff like that, so I hope I don't forget any information thinking I've already said it. Alright, I had a few colorway ideas, and I could not decide between a colorway I wanted to do, the colorway Andrew wanted to do, and a kind of a mix therein. So I put it up to my members, and my members helped me decide what colorway to do, and then I decided I'm going to release both. One is as a special little something on the side, and one as the official subscription box. Okay, so I'm going to show you the colorways, and then I'm going to give you all the how-to ordering information at the end. I can't talk today. If you have never ordered with me, if you have ever had issues ordering with me, please stay tuned and listen to all that information, because I should cover everything. That way it makes the ordering process smoother for both of us. Okay, so the look away if you don't want to see it. The Full Spectrum subscription box is this. This is called Spooky Season. I'm in love. Pretty. I want an extended version of this, like across 9 or 10 hanks for like a sweater or something. So this is it unhanked. So it is black, dark purple, and then the purple kind of lightens out a little bit to the pink and then to orange. I really like this colorway. So that is Spooky Season. Okay, and then this month's Birthstone. All right, I had to take some liberties. Decisions had to be made. Things happened. Let me explain. I know that October Birthstone is opal, but here's my problem. This is a year-long make-along, and these are deep saturated colorways for the Birthstones. There was no making a pastel opal work. I could have done a really dark rainbow, but frankly, it is intricate work, and I don't have the time for it with having as many releases as I'm having this month, plus I'm getting caught up with some stuff. So, the typical tourmaline color is also a color that I've already done this year. So, this is still a tourmaline. This is a color of tourmaline. It is not the typical, it's a messy hank. I put 2 hanks together and twisted them and made a mess of it, so please forgive me. I did what I had to do to make this year-long make-along of the Burstones cohesive, and I couldn't just, this is what it had to be, frankly, and I needed this color to be represented for the make-along. So this is what we did. So it's tonal orange. It's really pretty, and a very sweet friend of mine who is just an absolute hoot made a joke and said, you know, it's just opal dressing up for Halloween as tourmaline. So that's what we're going with, okay? Okay. Now, the special surprise, this is Andrew's colorway. He told me the colors he wanted, and I did the best that I could to make it. So this is Witching Hour. It's very pretty. So Witching Hour is black on the ends, and then it fades into the darker version of each color, purple on one side, green on the other, and then it just keeps fading down towards the center, where they then blend together in some areas and not in in some areas, which looks great. So Witching Hour, you can order the same as the others. It's $25 for the first hank, $20 for each hank afterward. And you can get it in any weight as well. No stitch marker with this one. So the way that you're going to word this one, because we have, you can look, by the way. We have Full Spectrum or FS. We have Birthstone or BS. You can say color pack or CP. Yes, it's not a color pack. It's a single hank, but that's how we do it every month. So we're going to leave it at that to make it easier on everybody. And then you're going to say the weight that you want. And if you're ordering from all three or from two of them, again, just in... Oh, wait, I haven't covered the ordering information. Like I said, I've said this so many times. Okay, so to order... Guys, I'm a mess, okay? I've done this video so many times. I don't remember what I have and have not said. Okay. To order, you can order through PayPal, Cashapp, or Zelle. That will be linked in the description box below. Full Spectrum, it is $25 for the first hank and $20 for every hank after that. And you get a handmade stitch marker from Dee at Dee's Creative Hands. And they're great stitch markers. They're very good quality. You can only order this month of the Full Spectrum. Burstone, you can order from January to now, any month. Any weight, any combination, any quantity. Full Spectrum, any quantity, any combination. And it is also $25 for the first hank and $20 for every hank after that. And then the color pack, Andrew's special release, is the same. $25 for the first, $20 for every hank after that. Shipping is included. If you want to throw extra shipping, people do that sometimes, and it is very helpful, helps keep the cost down, but you of course don't have to. You need to indicate which box and which weights that you're wanting. So for instance, Full Spectrum, you can either say Full Spectrum or FS. Burstone, you can say Burstone or BS. Color pack or CP. And then you are going to write, F for fingering, DK, or W or worsted. And you just need to indicate what box, what weight. If you're ordering several boxes, just make sure you break it down and indicate the quantity of the weight of each box. And then your name and address. And there is a place in every single app to write all this information down. I promise you there is. If you cannot find it, you can email me. It's the fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com. Not the Thryss 314. That's my social email. I won't get it if you email it. So orders are due by the 8th unless you have otherwise spoken to me. And then I ship between the 15th and the 20th. Now, I do try to ship earlier than that. Some do go out earlier than that. But 15th through the 20th, guaranteed. It is, fingering weight is 437 yards. DK weight is 231. And Aran weight is 187. 100% superwash merino, 19.5 micron. If I have repeated myself and this video is an absolute mess, I'm sorry. Like I said, genuinely I've done this like a dozen times. And I don't remember what I have and have not said. So, okay. Name and address, price, ordering date, shipping date, how to order. I think I've covered everything. It's really important that you put all that information in, because if you don't, then I can't make your box. And if I don't have your contact information, then you're not going to know there's a problem until you don't receive the box and realize you haven't received it and email me. And then I couldn't email you. I didn't know the weight, or I didn't know your address or whatnot. If you have an apartment number, please put the apartment number in there, because most offices will not accept the package, and like your apartment complex office will not accept the package. They will kick it back to me, and then I have to pay to ship it again. So that becomes very expensive, and I have to do that at least usually once a month. So I think I have covered everything. I apologize for the hot mess that has been this video, I am sure, and I don't plan to edit it. I'm just going to give it to you in all its hot messness. So you're welcome for that little gift. Yeah, I think that's it. Gosh, I hope it is. I hope I did okay. I love you guys. I will talk to you guys later. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the YouTube streets.